Hi guys, my name is Brandon Webb and I'm going to be sharing a little bit about Ajax and what Ajax kind of does. As you can see on my screen here, I'm actually going to first go over to my application. And so from here, I have these two pages I'm going to show you. You have this Ajax retrieve from file, and then you also have this Ajax change this text. Ajax basically is a way of telling your application to go out to a server or some other machine, and then from that machine pull a certain file. That could be different types of files. It doesn't have to be one specific. But this one, I've kind of done some JSON or some JavaScript requests. So what I've done here is this code right here, all it's going to do is change this content. So it just takes that information pulled from the server and then just pulls this element out of the HTML and changes it, as you can see there. I can change, you can change, we can change, it can change. So as well, you can get other things such as the status, kind of the numbers that you get, like when you have a error code for a file, as well as, you know, if it's working, it comes with error codes, and then kind of the response. And in the response, it's actually the data I put. So this one, it goes out, and as you can see, it says, hey, you did it, congratulations. So let's look at the code. Here in my code for that first example, as you can see, I'm going to pull up this file right here. And basically all it does is it goes out, and this is inside of my Ajax. This is this index file right here. And basically what it does is I create this function in a script, and that button that we have that grabs this function, here's our div up here, and then basically it goes out and creates that new request object, that new XHTTP, and when it's ready to change, what it does is it gets this file. Since we have not specified a server, it definitely takes this server, but on top of that, it also goes out to the local file system. So as you can see here, I have this Ajax JSON data XML. So inside of this file is where this is amazing. Hey, look, you did it. So from there, I'm going to go out real quick. That's actually not the right one. It's right here. I can change, you can change, we can change, it can change. So basically pulls that over. That's kind of how that works, as well as this one. What it does is it basically takes those elements that we had, so the A1 element, the A2, the A3, and it just puts that status into it. So like the status definitely deals with, you know, error codes and other things and response codes. So it pulls all that in, and then that's how you get this wonderful little application that gets the data. So you can sit there and you can play around with it. I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.